So case 1, truck of mass m. So mass is given as capital M. Force under which it is moving is F. Let the acceleration be A1, which we don't know. We know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. Therefore, acceleration is equal to force upon mass. So A1 will be equal to F upon M. This is our first equation or first case. Case 2. Now, if the truck is loaded with an object equal to the mass of the truck, so new mass
is equal to same M.
will be equal to new mass will be equal to M plus capital M plus capital M. Why? Because earlier the mass of truck was being taken, which was capital M. But now on the truck, one more object has been loaded. On the truck, one more object of mass M has been loaded. Already the mass of the truck was M, which was given. But now one more object of equal mass has been loaded. So the new mass will be 2m. Okay. And the force is halved. So the force, new force is F by 2. Force is halved. Okay. Now acceleration A2 will be, again, it will be given by force upon mass. So A2 will be equal to force is F by 2 upon mass is 2m. So if we solve this, A2 will be equal to F by 2 divided by 2m. So A2 will be equal to F by 2 into 1 by 2m. So A2 will be equal to 1 by 4 into F upon m. F by m is already, we have found F by m as A1. So A2 will be equal to 1 by 4 A1, which means that the force has become 1/4 of the original. The acceleration has become 1/4 of the original. So new acceleration is 1/4 of the original acceleration. This is how the acceleration is changing.